स्टार्ट है। दोस्तों, आज ब्राइन, आई गेस आपने सुना होगा। नहीं सुना होगा तो मैं आज बता देता हूँ। ठीक है। हर्थ रिलेटेड ट्रांसफ़र फंक्शन साउंड लोकलाइजेशन। ओके। इन इस लाइब्रेरी का लाइब्रेरी तो 2010 में फुली डेवलप हो गई थी, बट द मोर ओवर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन फेजेस में आज ये प्रैक्टिकली यूज़ होती है अननोन सोर्स लोकलाइजेशन के लिए। So in this tutorial, I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about the Brine library and how it works. Okay. I guess you already know me, but if let me introduce myself, Ajay Jat of this site. Okay. And we provide various services like Python training, thesis implementation, all such things. And here's my contact number 73073 You can contact ping me if you face any difficulty. And moreover, there's a profit seeking organization, so services are paid, but that's another way. But yeah. And you know more about me by visiting our website at www.webtenix.com. And for thesis guidance and massive application development related to new innovative technology, here is the link of my website. .in. Okay, also for making massive application and make it real time deployment, just to go to our website webtenix.com and post your query. Okay. As most of the people don't know about machine learning and their implementation, as machine learning is very primitive stage, so only the people who know about it uh, should contact us. Okay. And yeah, I always welcome students who have keen learning about different things, so please contact me. And you can also visit know more about this Brine library at by opening brinesimulator.org. Just type Brine simulator and you would be able to locate Brine library. So here I'm going to show you a layman implementation of Brine library. Okay. So moreover, I am passing this conversation to my colleague and he will discuss rest of the thing because I'm doing something else. Okay. And he will explain you from the start till the end how it works and how to build it.
Now here I am going to describe a basic code of brain. It is for sound localization. Here first of all we have to import brain, and then there we give location of dataset. It use ICRM dataset, and after that we here it is doing a number of spatial location in the set of HRTF. After that we choose a random integer to to choose sound uh, to as a input our as input to our sound localization model. After that uh, we we uh, white noise add some white noise, and after that we have to swap the channels using the structure filter bank. After that we after now we apply a cochlear filter model and do the cochlear filter afterwards. And here we repeat each of HRTF set filter bank channels CFN times, so that for each location we will apply each possible cochlear frequency. After that here we have half wave rectification and compression. After that here it is a equation, it is leaky integration and fire neuron model. After that the coincidence detector, and here here our sound is it play our sound by using run method. After that we take the array of counts and reshape them into 2D array, which we sum across frequency to get the spike count of each location specific assembly. after here in our count, it return a guess. It like our prediction of sound. After that it plots. Now I'm going to run the script. It takes some time. As it is taking some time, you can uh, know about more about us. uh, you can contact us using my contact number, and you can email me at ajay@outlook.com. And to know more about us, please visit our website infinitesolutions.in and mindcreature.com for research and thesis work or development of patent and research projects.
Now मैंने देख लिया the company is looking for a solution. It could be a mobile LED solution or any technology which enable the staff to make the mark the attendance. It is however important to know that not all staff will carry a laptop or computer, but all are
Yeah,
qualified as staff.
there we got the output.
ये
Look,
biometric से
look at this.
biometric से
There is a red symbol. It represents the sound played at particular special question, and the green cross. It represents the most strongly responding assembly, and here the blue dots you can see here. It represents the summed firing rate, give size of size of neurons.
आप समझ रहे हैं
Yeah,
रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट
there it is our output. Okay, thank you. Next time we will show you how to get multiple source localization.